Hello everyone, and welcome to this review. Today we're taking a close look at a brand new software called AiChat, a platform that claims to revolutionize Facebook and Instagram marketing by combining AI automation, chatbot technology, lead generation, social media management, and affiliate marketing tools into one cloud-based system. According to the creators, AiChat can help users generate leads, automate conversations, send marketing messages, manage social media accounts, and even create AI-powered e-commerce shops. But does it really live up to the hype? In this review, we'll explore its features, how it works, who it's designed for, and the potential advantages and limitations you should know before making a decision. Let's get started. AiChat is a cloud-based marketing platform designed to automate customer engagement on Facebook and Instagram. The software combines several tools into one dashboard, including AI-powered chatbot automation, lead generation tools, social media management, affiliate marketing integration, automated messaging, AI-generated content creation, Instagram and Facebook automation. The creators position AiChat as an alternative to traditional email marketing by focusing on social media conversations and automated engagement. Instead of spending time building websites, configuring servers, or managing multiple marketing tools, users can access everything from a single dashboard. One of the biggest selling points is that the software is designed for beginners. According to the sales page, users can start using the platform without coding skills, technical experience, or complicated setup processes. AiChat automates unlimited leads, free traffic, and high-ticket commissions in just 3 simple steps and with 0 monthly fees. Step 1. Log into our stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure, or host. We give you your own Facebook and Instagram chatbot with ChatGPT SMTP server and dedicated IP. Step 2. Upload your contacts list or let the app find red-hot FB and Instagram leads right away. That's right, we get you millions of Facebook and Instagram contacts targeted to your niche. Step 3. Relax as AiChat blasts any message with any link or offer to the phones of millions of people for unlimited free traffic and $1,000 automated commissions. Our ChatGPT-powered chatbot messages leads 24/7, talking like a real person and promoting your affiliate offers. Here's just a glimpse of the features. All 100% automated inside AiChat. Fully cloud-based software, Facebook and Instagram autoresponder and chatbot. Messaging system 98% open rates guaranteed. AiChat instantly finds unlimited leads and starts messaging within seconds. Talking just like a regular person. Powered by ChatGPT. Collects emails and phone numbers you can then email or text. New for 2026. Social Media Manager which auto-posts, auto-stories, and auto-replies using the Power ODAI. New for 2026. Built-in affiliate shops with hosting right inside FB and Instagram. Messenger apps fully integrated with PayPal, checkout forms, and more. Pre-configured SMTP and dedicated IP. There's nitrogen monoxide setup required for you and no costs involved. Our Facebook and Instagram autoresponder comes with pre-configured SMTP sending servers and a dedicated IP so you get straight into your customers' phones and make sure you ping them with every message you send. Unlimited messaging has never been easier. Your dedicated chatbot for Facebook. Reply back to customers' questions instantly and close the sale even in your sleep with your very own Facebook chatbot. Done for you products and messages. Just activate one of our DFY affiliate offers, copy, paste the Facebook and Instagram messages we give you and insert your affiliate link and be on your way to Passive commissions without doing any work. Commercial license included. Truly unprecedented in ANY software at ANY price point. You can now also get commercial license, which gives you the right to manage Facebook and Instagram conversations for businesses. Sell Facebook and Instagram chatbots to them at a hefty fee, or handle all of their phone outreach for a monthly subscription. The possibilities are pretty limitless. Built-in training to get you earning. Unlike other programs we've built. Over-the-shoulder case studies. An in-depth training straight into. AiChat showing you step-by-step how to run winning campaigns. 24/7 white glove support has you covered. Our dedicated support concierge team is ready to accommodate any request, question, or suggestion. We're here for you anytime, day or night. There is always someone on our support desk no matter the hour. All the hard work done for you. Plus so much more. This is a software unlike any other. So the logical question is, who can benefit from using the world's best traffic and sales software? The answer to this is simple. Any internet marketer, regardless of the niche, who wants to make more money. People who want to live the true internet lifestyle and make commissions every time they press the send button on their AiChat account. Anyone who wants easy profits without having to configure anything themselves. Anyone looking to quit their 9-to-5. Experience freedom and clear outstanding debt. Marketers who want to absolutely dominate and thrive, even in negative situations like the present. Marketers who want to be their own boss. Get traffic and make sales on demand whenever they need or want to. People with sites, products, or affiliate offers that they want to make more sales from and get more traffic to. People who have tried building a list in the past but have failed and are now looking to get the same results or better but without having to pay for traffic or generate a list themselves. People who know how powerful email marketing has been and want to get in on the ground level of this next level revolution called Facebook and Instagram. Look, it doesn't even matter who you are or what you're doing. This current opportunity is truly unparalleled. Don't waste it. To be able to get a direct line to billions of people glued to their phones and to actually be aided to do so by revolutionary technology like AiChat is something that has never happened before and might never happen again. And it's something that anyone can do, yes, even complete newbies, as long as they take action and take advantage of this incredible opportunity. The opportunity is right in front of you. Why keep struggling with expensive ads, low email open rates, and complicated marketing tools when AiChat can automate the heavy lifting for you, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced marketer. AiChat gives you everything you need to generate leads, automate conversations, promote offers, and grow your business from a single dashboard. For a limited time, you can secure lifetime access for just $12 instead of the regular $197 price. Get started today and experience automated lead generation, AI-powered customer engagement, social media automation, built-in affiliate marketing tools, commercial license included, no monthly fees, 24/7 support, 30-day money-back guarantee. There has never been a better time to take action. Click the button below to secure your copy before the price increases again. Yes, I want instant access to AiChat for only $12. 100% risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Limited time launch pricing. Don't wait until the price goes up. Claim your access now and start leveraging AI-powered marketing today.